Unbelievable. What's he doing? Sounds like he's got a big missile launcher. I don't know, like a bulldozer. What's he bloody doing? Shut the f*** up. He's not even cutting the bloody grass, he's just running about with it. Unbelievable. Oh, it's got a kick. It's got a kick. It's a good kick. Now that is super sorted. Got a dish for you today. Beautiful little dish. Very simple. It couldn't be any more simpler. In fact, why don't you tell him? Tell him the dish.
Nope.
Tell him the dish.
I'm not.
Tell him the dish.
You've got a funny head.
Tell him.
You look like a peacock.
Tell him the dish.
F off, Steve.
I could be sat down in the Sahara Desert with a chair, reading a book, and he'd be quiet as a bloody mouse. When I get my camera out, Gladys, is Steve filming today? Yeah, he's just got his camera out. Right, let's piss him off. Ron, you get fireworks out. Alan, you get missiles out. Rita, you smash his bloody windows. Farquhar, knock on his door. And I've got Carlos there and his leaf blower outside. He started at 6 o'clock in the morning. It's now 11 o'clock. And what does he do? He keeps going round the same bloody patch. It's cut. It's cut. Bruschetta, chicken bruschetta. Beautiful, simple dish. I just fancy it. I just fancy some chicken. So I'm just gonna crack on. I'm just gonna go for it. First thing we need to do is make the bruschetta. So I got some amazing tomatoes. I'm gonna take a break. I'm about to flip my shit. I think he's stopped. I ain't heard him in about 30 minutes, so I think he's gone home. I just love this type of dish. Very, very simple. So, tomatoes, good quality ones. Onion, garlic, and bags of basil, plenty of basil. Grab my bowl. This type of dish, bruschetta. Summer's in, you know, it's coming. Tomatoes are in season, and the flavour is unbelievable. And get some really good quality ones, and they're nice and fresh and tomato in, beautiful. Great time of year to make bruschetta. Look at these beautiful colours. Packed full of flavour, these. I love these toms. We can just roughly give them a chop. I think the more rustic it looks, the better. Just look at them colours. It just cries out summer, and it smells amazing. It smells like a bloody garden. Look at that. I'm just gonna do like a chefy thing called a chiffonade, but it's just ribbons. It's just finely chopped, finely sliced ribbons. Right, so get all this lot into a bowl. Them colours are beautiful. Right, some garlic, a microplane, or you can use a garlic crusher, but I just like to grate it over. Now your grated garlic, and then just whack it in. And a little touch of balsamic vinegar, just like a little kiss, not too much. Salt and pepper. Right, that goes in the fridge. Right, you want to let that sit in the fridge for at least 1 hour. 2 hours, even better. Just to let all the ingredients know each other. Tomato, I ain't seen you for ages. Onion, you wanker, ain't seen you for a long, long time. You get the gist. Right, I've got some chicken, they've started again. You are kidding me. Dude. I've got to stop. I'm about to throw this chicken at his head. Now this is the second time I've actually packed away all my stuff. Not anymore. I want this bloody supper. I'm gonna cook this today. I wanna show you guys it, and I wanna eat it for my supper. I'm gonna marinate this chicken. And I'm gonna move my arse. Right, so with the chicken. So first, some oregano. Dried oregano. Onion powder. Garlic powder. Olive oil. Nothing wrong using dried herbs for marinating meat. They're amazing. And then with your hands, just give it a good old rub. I'm gonna wrap it, I'm gonna marinate it for 30 minutes. Okay, bags of flavor on that chicken, that's done. I'm gonna brown it and I'm gonna bung it in the oven. I really can't say it on camera because I don't know. Right, that goes in the oven, 350. I'm gonna slightly undercook it because I'm gonna put some cheese on top. I'm gonna melt it. Beautiful. Right, there's about a minute left on this. So I don't want to overcook it. So I'm gonna add some cheese. And I've got some beautiful cheese. I just want to show you this. Beautiful. Look at this beauty. Soft cheese and cream on the inside and mozzarella on the outside. Look at that. And that's gonna go over the chicken. Tuck in time. Look how cheesy it is. Beautiful. Oh wow. You can see how simple this dish is to actually make. It's absolutely beautiful. So fresh, bit cheesy, fresh, said that once. Beautiful. Give it a go. Thanks guys.